Breaker 19, this here's a rubber duck. You got a copy on me, Big Ben, come on. Oh yeah, 10-4, Big Ben, for sure, for sure. By golly, it's clean clear to Flagtown, come on.
Hey everybody, Manny, welcome back to my channel, Aftershave. So you can see this is a little bit of a different scenario, different scene. I am actually recording from my truck. I thought, I'd start doing these in my truck just to give me more time to enjoy my shave and not be so rushed with people knocking on the bathroom doors. Not that it happens very often. It did take a bit longer than I expected to set up. I think it's just because this is my first time really doing it, trying to figure out how I'm going to do my setup from here on out, if I win or if I do my shaves on the road. So I do have the camera sitting off to the side here because I don't have enough room to prop things up. So right in front of me I have a pull-out table with my bowl here to rinse my face. I got my rinse bucket to the left of me to rinse off my razor, and then I got my brush soaking and my other gear that I'm going to be using here off to the side on a fold-out table, and then I got a mirror in front of me. So I thought this was the best way to set up. Forgive me for the feedback, for the loud feedback, or for anything you hear on the outside here. I do have the windows rolled down. It's really cold outside, feels really good. Have the heater on to warm up the floor mat here, and we're gonna get into a shave. So I mentioned before, and I have to move the mirror off to the side so I can see what I'm showing you guys here, so forgive me. And okay, here we go. So I do have a basket full of all of my samples, aftershaves, creams, balms, soaps, you name it. Everything that's sample size is in there. So that's what we're going to get in with here. And so let's get into the shave here. I'm going to be using, again, I got to move the camera over, or the mirror, sorry. I'm going to go with Zingari Man. This is a sample, and it smells really good. And off to the side here I have my bucket to be able it's like a portable water container, 7 or 8 gallon container, so it's gonna be dripping a little bit of water here at a time. Yeah, so this is the Traveler, smells really good. I'm gonna go in with decided to do this sample here today, and in favor of my buddy Arthur Lamb. Here we go. Gotta make sure that I'm in focus here with the mirror on the side. And this is John Frum from PAA. Gonna go with that sample here today. I am gonna be using my Turkish bowl. This is gonna be my new travel bowl, lathering bowl for the time being. I really like this one, and this is the 1305. Let me go ahead and show you that here, the 1305. I do have it blooming, or soaking. There you have it. And razor of choice, I decided, want to do my what do you call the 34C. I'm trying to make sure that my face is off the camera so I can capture a good picture for when I do my my screenshots. So there you have it, my 34C. And blade of choice will be a Perma-Sharp. So I do have a mirror hanging, and I gotta swing it out of the way so I can be able to see what I'm showing you guys here, make sure that I'm in focus. And then I got, little extra goodies here like my alum and everything. And so yeah, let's get into a shave here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this water in here, and hopefully my brush doesn't get too cold, because I do not like a cold brush. And I actually forgot something, but there's nothing I can do about it now. I don't want to have to reset everything up again. So I am in Central Point, Oregon, and just finished waking up not too long ago. Had myself a shower, and now it's time for the shave. So again, damn, gotta continuously move this mirror over. Gonna go ahead and put my sample down in here. Just gonna mash it down to the bottom of the bowl, secure it in a way, I guess you could say, just so it doesn't start moving around. So how are you all doing? I hope you all are well, and hopefully having great shaves. Hope your guys' Thanksgiving went well. Today is Monday, Cyber Monday. And it's probably about shit, what time is it today? Oh, it's 2:30 in the PM. So let's get to lathering here. Damn it, I'm so used to just showing you the products that I can see myself in the back of the mirror at home, but I gotta move the mirror over to the side. So let's get over and start lathering here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't do two things at once and then hold the mirror, so I'm hoping that's in focus. Yeah, so this is Zangari, and the woman behind this is Heather. And so many samples in them, man. I got samples of everything in there. I got Sterling, I've got some Maria Arman, Through the Fire Fine Craft, or I forgot what she's known now. I think it's still the same name. What else? Man, I got so many. I got so many different soap companies in there. Yeah, I really love this bowl, man. I'm hoping this is gonna be a nice, easy setup as I go along, because I know everything I gotta pull out, when I gotta pull it out, and it won't be so damn complicated next time. But I was like, what do I do with this? What do I do with that? Where do I put this at? Where do I hang this at? How am I, you know, it's just, it was kind of a pain in the ass, and I almost didn't want to do it, because I was like, you know what, forget it. So far, we got a pretty good lather worked up. Her stuff lathers up pretty well. Again, I can't see what the hell I'm doing here. Let me see. Is that in focus? I'm hoping it is. I can barely see, but yeah. All right, I think we're gonna go with that. Here we have it. So I'm getting a little bit of a glare off to the side, so it's really hard to see if the focus is actually perfect or not. I'm hoping this is gonna not be too awkward shaving in the truck, because I would really like this to work out. Now I don't know what the scent profile is on this, but I will look it up and put it on the screen somewhere. I'm hoping the lighting isn't too terribly bad. I'm learning as I'm going with this whole new setup, so bear with me, guys. So that's kind of what I was hoping wasn't gonna happen, because that might be a little too loud. But fuck it, you know, it is what it is. Life of a trucker, right? Try not to bend down too much to get it all over my collar here. Hopefully this driver is getting ready to leave. I was gonna do it with the windows closed, but me just getting out of the shower, I tend to sweat a lot, no matter if it's cold outside or not. It's just the way my body works. My body is, sorry. So there you have it. I'm trying to make sure it doesn't capture my face. And let's go see how we do here. I forgot which is my damn it, what do I do? I was supposed to put, make sure I'm not gonna hit this. I was supposed to put this backwards over here. Oh shit, almost dropped everything. All right, did I miss it the camera? I can't tell if I did or not. All right. I can hear loud noise right now. Okay. It's a bit messy, more than I was hoping it was gonna be. But learning process, trial and error. yeah, so my Thanksgiving was good. Had a calm Thanksgiving, which is very rare. Unfortunately, I had to go to sleep early because I had a load to pick up the following morning, and I make my own schedules. I could have postponed it and waited, but because my truck was down for so long, and then also breaking down on the way back home, I couldn't afford to miss. So what I can tell is the shave does feel a little different because my whiskers are not hydrated as they were, and because it is cold outside, my lather is cold, is starting to get cold again. These are brand new Perma-Sharp blades, and I can feel them working really hard to get to my whiskers, which is very, very odd. And that only tells me one thing, and that's that my whiskers aren't hydrated enough. But then again, another big factor also is I only have I forgot how many days. Thursday, Friday. 3 days of growth. Like 3.5, I think. And me having the windows open might affect you guys not being able to hear the feedback. I know some of you guys like that. And question, please let me know. Please let me know, and feel free to be honest with me. If you guys do not mind the noise in the background, then I'll continue doing the videos. But if it's just too, if it what's the word I'm looking for here? I can't think of the word. Distracting. Then I'll do it next time with the windows rolled up, or I'll figure something out. All right, great shave, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out here, do my cleanup passes off camera, and I'll be back. All right, fantastic shave. Fucking A, guys. It's like everybody decided to want to park on the side of me today. There's plenty of parking elsewhere, but I don't know what the fuck is going on here. That's people's air brakes, the truckers' air brakes going off. Now I got a fucking guy on the side of me with the reefer on. Not being kind and courteous and taking into consideration that there may be someone else out here trying to get some sleep and park elsewhere. He decides to fucking park next to someone who may be sleeping, but he probably see me having a shave and said, fuck it. I used to drive reefer, guys, so I can talk shit because I know what it's like. I was very kind and courteous to park elsewhere, so I wouldn't wake anybody up. So yeah, that's the kind of shit that pisses me off. All right, guys, gonna go ahead and rinse this alum off, and I'll be right back. Oh man, fantastic shave. Awesome shave. But I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of a bitch doing it like this. But I like the peace and quiet, or I wish it was peace and quiet, right? I actually had to roll up the windows because this guy on the side of me decided to regen his truck, which basically it revs up the motor at a high RPM to cause it dumps fuel past the turbo, causing the filters to get really hot, turn like a toaster oven, and burn off all the unburnt fuels and oils and stuff like that, engine oil. And then it burns it basically like it's a special heat treat to burn all that shit off, so it revs really high. And I couldn't do it earlier because I had everything on the side. I was shaving at the moment, you know, and so I decided when I got off the video or went to commercial break, I decided to roll up the window. So here we go. Hopefully you guys can see this because I can't do this. I can't do this twice and I can't see what I'm doing. All right. Wow. Oh man, Arthur, that is nice. I got it a little too high. If I get it too high up in my nose, on the corners, it burns. Man, that is really good. I wasn't gonna go in with the Balm, but it's a little chilly out here, and why not? So we're gonna go in with some of this here. There you have it. In fact, I gotta get some on my arms because I haven't done so yet. yeah, that was really, really good. Oh man. Yeah, so I'm heading back home. Picked up a load in Fife, Washington. And again, I'm in Central Point, Oregon. Almost at the halfway mark of getting back home. But I'm actually not gonna go home. I'll try to get as close as I can to home, and hopefully maybe I'll shut down there. But I gotta take this load all the way to Goodyear, Arizona. Probably about half an hour shy from Phoenix. But yeah, that is my shave, guys. I'm not gonna do recap because I got everything out all over the place. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like what you see, as always, please like, favorite, share, and subscribe. Y'all stay safe out there, and hopefully I can get a few more videos out before Christmas comes around. But yeah, please comment down below and let me know how you guys like this shave, and should I do another one? Does the noise bother you? I'll figure out some other things to do. I could easily roll up the windows, but again, I don't like feeling sweaty right out the shower. So forgive me for that, guys. But that is everything. That is it. I will catch you guys on the next shave. Y'all stay safe out there. Later, guys.